Alright everybody, today we will be making a satellite featuring a communication device, a container, an orientation finder, power source, and scientific instruments, which is going to be made out of common household goods such as paper, cardboard, glue, paint, brush, scissors, paper clips. I will also be bringing styrofoam into the class and whatever else I may find that may be good to use. We will be hand making ourselves a satellite and then having it orbit a central entity, a central celestial body. But let's get started, shall we? First things first, we will need a body. And for the body, we are going to use this right here, this handy dandy thing. And for simplicity's sake, it already has an orientation finder. The purpose of the orientation finder is to watch the stars and figure out which direction this is oriented, which direction it's supposed to be facing. Now, what we're going to do next, we're going to make a power source, where that power source being solar panels. So let's get some solar panels made. Alright, I have myself some solar panels. These will be used to power the craft. They will gather the sun's light and use it as energy to power this craft right here. They look sucky, but that is because I imagine that you will all make much better versions. Alright, we have attached the power source, the solar panels. Next, we have the orientation finder. We need some scientific instruments and a communication device. For the communication device, I am going to cut out a circular ring out of this box. We now have our little satellite dish. Yeah, this might be able to fly. Maybe. Orientation finder needs to be up. Satellite dish needs to be facing Earth. There we go. There we go. I have attached the scientific instruments, which I've made out of paper clip, tape, and this. You may make yours out of styrofoam. You may paint it more gingerly. Yours, in fact, this one is the one shown by the NASA website, and there are many others that you can choose from to create. Satellites tend to look like a variety of different objects, as you can see. These satellites, the Kepler spacecraft, the Hubble telescope, Aqua, the soil moisture active passive satellite, but they all usually have these orientation finders, a communication device, scientific instruments, power source, and container. And this is the basic list of things you'll need. The last thing we're going to do is see if this right here can fly. I'm going to admit it looks very pathetic looking, but let's go ahead. Whoa, shoot. It is orbiting around my hand. Oh, frick. I made the string too wide, but this is what satellites do. They orbit Earth. They're constantly spinning around Earth. They need to survive the rigors of that. Oh, this one mostly survived. Oh, the satellite dish fell off. It's lost communication with Earth. Mission partial success. All right, let's see if you make one much better. I do hope you do.